Sofa. Pangako naas. Gago ko ang jacket ko, gago ko. Ay. Lu. Sorry. Kita yata na yan. Agoy. Okay na. Puta, lilitan.
Miski mag-smile ka, Bek. Wala ang gawa. Yung katsura si Bek, ha? Luwa yan, oh.
Gawin ginawa. Hey! Ako naas!
Chill lang. Chill lang ko tayo kayo, siyempre. Yan, sakit ko leya ako niya. Gamay lang.
Hindi puta ka mo. Lakas ko yan.
Basta na di bulik, buroy. Sakit ba?
Hindi puta.
Mami, i-post kayo ko, Robe, kay.
Hindi puta ka mo. Walang makita bang post ko ni Matsura. Malaw-law kaya.
Basta na bulik ko di, guys. Yun di po, kaya. Dami pang gustong sabihin, ngunit wag na lang muna. Hintayin ang langit na mahilang salita. Wag mong akong sisin, hey, mali mapala. Bakit at nagdamdamin? Sana'y di magbago pagtingin. Pahiwatig. Sana di magbago pagtingin. Okay. Bigla kapag handa na. Hindi na lang kung trip-trip lang naman. Iibig lang kapag handa na. Hindi na lang kung trip-trip lang naman. Huwag mo sana kalimutan na mahal kita. Alawa, nagdawin. There's a lot of villages of house of villages in here, and there's a mountain that you can see through my screen. And you know, there's a lot of people here live like ano kayo, magsasaka, like basta magsasaka. Then ouch, my ear, it hurts. Ow, yeah. There's a lot of people work to this hacienda. Then if they're working, they have a good salary that can feed their family and all the above of the following. This nigga hiding for 1 hour na. Ouch!
What are you saying?
Bad nigga! Tangina mo, be! Okay! Shout out sa kay Yumi!
There is a nigga. That would be you, you know?
Yeah! Agay! Ano gago yun? Okay guys, we're here to the St. Peter. Ow, my nose, it hurt. Iglesia ni Cristo. I'm so sleepy na, guys. Gago ka pula, matakot na yun ba? So, look the quality of nature. It's super perfect. Wow! Agay!
Sabi nila sa video, wala kayo makakakot.
Tawag ka video ko dito. Agay! Potang inabi. Agay! Dala ka daw, gago ka karon. Putangan ikaw. Si puno na. Nami ako magtandog sa kakon niya. Naya kayo. Kakyat dan kay Lombong. Oh no guys, it's raining here. There's a lot of water and baboy and pigs. You know, they have tai-tai. What you call tai-tai is okay. Reverse. Oh no guys, bird like my shit friend. She's red. He's red, bitch. Ow. 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 Okay guys. Gawin sa mobile na. Gago.
Hindi mo magsawa ko.
Nagka-video ko, di ba? Ano ka? Amo niya, sa kay Mio, yan din ito, abla palugot, kaya ginatrapo yan sa akong kamot.
Na, pili mo ng diputa.
Malaking. Malaking. So guys, I need to I don't know. I want
Tawaan mo pa ako.
panggumamit nyo.
Hindi mo tayo kang kapag gumamit.
Hi guys,
My ass.
I want you to know that whatever arguments that you have in your friendship, don't broke it. Don't be snitch.
Hindi mo tanga.
Excuse me.
May nagwahay ka na ginaw.
Oh no, wait. I'm gonna fix my hair because I know my hair is so very messy. Then the people beside of me, the man beside of me, it's so bitch. He's nigga, you know. He's scared to see on camera because I know, nigga, I know. So, ay. Wait lang kita talaga, ni. Dalaw ka, bala ka.
My ass. Ta.
Agay! Oh! Miskena mo, tsura. Miskena mo, kaging-ginga ba? Yung tsura mo do. Lubot? Hindi, manjapon. Ako na guys, okay ako yung miskena tsura mo. Portante po eh. Ay, ano naman dyan guys, nagyan sa cellphone.
Zop.
Zop lain back! Agay!
What's up guys? This is my vlog.
This is my vlog.
Please subscribe to my vlog and channel. And
Bola kang bobo!
for more information.
Gago yo. So, kita yung mama mo bla. Siyempre guys.